Good morning, children. How are you? Fine. I'm Radha, your social teacher from Dr. Bison English Medium School. Children, please bring your studio, companion, notes, eraser, pencil, and sharpener. Everything, please bring, children. Now we are going to start the lesson. Lesson name. What is the lesson name? Movements of earth. Movements of earth. Lesson number 3. Lesson number 3, children. Lesson number 3, movements of earth. Movements of earth. Okay. Okay, children. Here, in the last class, we have discussed about the summer, autumn, rainy season. All these things we have discussed, isn't it? In this class, in this lesson, we have discussed about the revolution, rotation. Is it? Along with that, we have discussed about that while that earth is rotating means it is rotating on its own axis, means rotation. We are getting day and night because of the rotation, and we are getting the seasons. How we are getting the seasons? Because the earth revolves around the sun, so we are getting the seasons, and throughout that it won't change us for year to year. It will be same for the same continuous throughout the year, like that. Means every year that is the time for that getting the same season. Summer season we have discussed in that. Summer season means it is too hot, whereas summer season you have to wear that cotton clothes, and you have to drink more water, and you have to eat the fruits and vegetables which contain the water. All these things we have to do. And next one, autumn, means here this autumn is not placed, comes in all the areas. Some of the areas only they will have this autumn, mostly in Himalayas. Means this autumn also can be called as a fall, because they will change the color, the leaves changes the colors, and they will fall in this season. Okay, children. And you can see here mostly that autumn, eat and drink plenty of. Actually in this season mostly they will get the illness. So to avoid this, we should have that more amount of that healthy food, isn't it? Okay, and it is a season which keeps away healthy allergies. And next, wear that light jackets that suits windy and chill weather conditions. Actually in this time they will have a windy and next very chilled, very cool it is that. So avoid this, you have to wear the jackets, and next one, not only that, they will the leaves will fallen down by showing the different shades in that. Okay, and the next one, some days it may feel warm and some days it may feel cool. Whereas the autumn comes to the rainy season, more amount of rain falls, and it is very most commonly it is most we can see the cloudy and wet. Now we are getting the rains or not? It mostly our sky shows the more clouds and wet. And next one, it is rainy. Okay, and next one, when you are having this rainy season, you should take care. Means what you have to should take care when you are going out. You should have to take umbrella and wash your hands. When you want to have anything with a soap, oftenly you have to wash your hands and wear synthetic clothes, because the clothes won't dry up, because there is no we have a sun, but it is not too hot, isn't it? Or you have to keep the clothes under the fan, like that you have to do. So you, instead of that, you can wear the synthetic clothes. It is the summer means you have to wear cotton cloths, whereas the rainy season means you have to wear synthetic cloths. Okay, children, did you understand here? Next one, see that next one, winter. Next our class is about the winter, children. Winter. Okay. Page number 56, children, everyone. Page number 56 here. Here, during winter, the weather is to be cool, very cool, snow and windy. Snow and windy means we will feel very cool, and somewhat more wind we will get. And next also snow. The morning itself you can see the fog outside. Is it winter? During the winter, the weather can be cool, snowy and windy. Many places experience snowfall during the winter. Actually, in the Kashmir, and whereas we are having Jammu and Kashmir, they will have a snowfall. isn't it? But in some areas we are having the winter, means sometimes we can see snowfall. We can get the snowfall also, and the temperature stays quite low in these places. Actually the temperature is very low in these places, means the temperature is very low. Actually it is in a correct temperature, means then it is not too hot or too cool. It is a pleasant environment for climatic conditions for us. Whenever the temperature is too low in these places, then what happens? It is very cool, and mostly it affects that winter affects on life in that where the tree sheds the leaves in autumn, the trees appears bark in the winter. Actually, in very cool places where the trees shed their leaves, during the autumn the leaves will shut down the leaves or not, isn't it? And the trees appears bark in the winter, means nothing is there in that. You can see there itself bare means not having anything, bare. Like this, all the leaves are shedding because of the autumn. Now all the leaves will be shut down during the autumn. In the winter season, how they will look? They will look like a bars. Okay, bars in the winter. Some places experience heavy rain, snowfall, which may causes roadblocks, makes it unsafe to venture out. Actually, some areas, if they are having more rainfall, what happens? Sometimes the trees will fall on the roads. It blocks the roads and unsafe to venture out. Okay, so these are the main effects because of the winter. And now comes to the winter kill. During the season, we should wear woolen clothes. During the winter, you should wear woolen clothes. Woolen clothes. Okay, next one, and sweaters. What should you wear? And sweaters. Okay, next, blankets. During the night time, definitely you should have a blankets and shawls. If the blankets are not there, we can use the shawls also to protect ourselves from the cold. We should protect from the cold because the winter season is very cool now, so you have to use that woolen clothes, sweaters, blankets, shawls to protect ourselves from the cold. And next one, drink hot liquids to keep ourselves warm. You have to drink hot liquids, means like hot water, tea, coffee, milk, soup. Hot, you have to drink hot liquids to keep ourselves warm. You should have to keep ourselves warm. Mostly winter season, when the winter season we will get chilling? November, December. Somewhat it is in the January also we will have the winter season, isn't it? And in that, this is about the winter season. This is about the winter season. Here summer is completed, rainy is completed, winter is completed. Now comes to the spring. Now comes to the spring, children. Spring season. This season is mostly blooms the flowers. Blooms the flowers means it looks very beautiful, isn't it? It looks very beautiful in countries where the autumn. Here one more thing, children. For each and every season, when it is moving, it shows the direction. See, in the summer, children, see, sun is at the center. Is it? There is a orbit. There is a orbit and our earth is here, isn't it? And the northern hemisphere is tilting towards the sun. And next, southern hemisphere is away from the sun. Okay, means northern hemisphere feels summer. Now, see here. This is the atom. Now, from earth comes to here, isn't it? Now, earth comes to here. Here you can see that the changing the position of the earth, and next one, you can observe that, where is the next one? Now for the winter they are showing, actually for summer here, for autumn here, whereas for winter it comes to be here. Now see here south position comes to here. Sorry, it is also northern hemisphere. Now it is getting the, this is the south, this is the north. North is away from the sun. North is away from the sun. Means here you can tell that Now south is getting the summer. Southern hemisphere is getting summer. Now northern hemisphere is getting winter. Means away from the sunlight. Away from the sunlight. You can see here when it is there here, then it is tilted towards. Then the northern hemisphere is getting summer. And when it is coming to here, what happened? Here it is somewhat autumn. And next one here coming to the south is comes towards the sun, and north is comes to the somewhat far away from the sun. Here means the sun is getting, here northern side is getting cool, whereas southern side is getting summer. It is, this side is winter, that side is summer. Okay, means here the position is changing or not. Now comes to the spring, children. Now comes to the spring here. Spring. See here, this is the south, this is the north. See here, in countries where the autumn and winter are felt strongly, spring is welcome to change. The bark of trees grow new leaves and flowers to start bloom. The weather is mostly pleasant. The days becomes longer than the winter days. Spring is considered as a sign of new beginnings. Actually, here that southern is coming towards the south and northern is coming towards the north. Actually, there is some autumn and spring, autumn and winter. What it makes the trees to bark, means the leaves will fallen down. So nothing is there. Then when the spring enter, automatically the bark trees gives new leaves and flowers starts to bloom. When it is glowing, then it looks very beautiful or not. Means the spring is tells to be sign of new beginning. Means again the plant starts to grow. Okay, and the effects of spring on the life, the fresh air, thunder, warmth of the sun are the welcome breaking from the cool frozen winter. When that winter is very cool, when the spring enters, what happens? It gives very fresh air. You will feel very fresh air and thunder warmth of the sun, lightly warm something, but you like it, not to. That's that welcome the breakup from that. It is the breakup for the cool winter. Is it cool frozen winter? And the change in the weather during the day and blooming of flowers are also causes allergics leading to the cool, sneezing and fever. Actually, the change in the weather, what happened? Actually, it is so cool now. After a few days, what happened? It is somewhat changes into, it is getting somewhat warm. Because of this, actually it gives, this season looks very beautiful because they will get a different flowers. And but along with that, it is having some allergic conditions because of changing the weather. So they will get the cool, sneezing and fever. Some of that mostly they will get cool and sneezing and weather. Okay, fever. Okay, next one, spring in India. When we will have a spring season, children? February and March. In our India, we will have the mostly January ending. February and March, we will have a flowers, different types of flowers we will get or not. Is it? During this spring season, we should take care. During that season, we should eat and drink, have healthy to avoid allergies. Everyone, you should have a healthy food to avoid all the diseases. You should always have that healthy foods. You should always have the healthy food. Okay, children? Now, see the 57, they have given, now we have to do an activity, children. Now you have to ask your teacher and a school helper like the best about the different seasons, find out and fill in the table. Actually now myself I am here only now, so I have done that. At your home, actually when you are coming to the school you can ask, but I have done it. Now I will show you. We are having the seasons. Which season? Here they have given two seasons for us, summer or winter. Which season is very good? You have to ask the teacher or school helper. They are asking us, teacher or school helper, you have to ask which season is very good, that is summer or winter. Myself, I have kept that teacher said summer and schooler also said summer. Why? You have to keep tick like this, children, everyone. If you like, if you ask your teacher or helper, then you can tick in the winter also if they like. You have to ask. Okay. Now in the at the back they are having one more question also. See children, here also one having question. Second question. Now that you have found out which season your teacher and helper like best, circle the answers to question the following. Here you have to ask it some questions. Here see, now you have already asked your teacher, is it which season is very good, summer and winter, which one? Summer your teacher told, helper also your teacher told. Now that you have to found out which season your teacher and your school helper like best. Myself and school helper likes summer. Okay, circle the answers to question that follow. You have to ask some questions. How did you approach them? Actually, how you have came? Did you ask them if they had this type of answer your question? Did you ask them if they had the time to answer your question? They are having you are asking me a question. Is the time for me to answer? Yes, I am telling the answer for you. That you can keep yes. Did you state that purpose of your questioning before asking? Did you tell that? Did you state that? Means why you are asking this question? Did you tell for them? Yes, because you want to know about the seasons and why you are like that you can do. And how did they react? How did they react? Any one question or any question you can ask children. Here for every question I have asked you. Okay, I have given the answers for you. I am explaining for you. You can ask here. Now they are found out which season your teacher and teacher. Circle the answers to question then that follows. Which questions you have asked, those questions you have to circle, but every question I am telling for you. Okay, how did they react? How were they happy to answer your question? Yes or no? Yes, we are happy to tell that. Next one, did they think about all the seasons before answering the question? They actually you have asked which one is the good one, isn't it? Then they are thinking, no, mostly they will teach us and help us like the summer. Why? Is the teachers will get the holidays and the summers will also children won't comes to the school. They will have to need not to clean the house, clean the school. Means the work is became less now. That's why they like the summer. Okay, this is it. Next, see here. These are the questions you have to tick it here like this. Everyone, don't miss out. You have to tick it. Already I have sent it the PDF children. That's why I am explaining for you. Okay. I am explaining for you children. And next one, we have a puzzle. We have a puzzle children. Here we have to complete the puzzle that you have to finish up. Puzzle means here complete the cross on seasons and their effects. Here too you have to complete that this one. This one. First I will write on the board. Okay. I will write on the board. Then you can tell the answers because they have given for us questions also. At the back you can read for 2 minutes. You can read children everyone. At back they have given questions for you. You have to read and think the answer in your mind. And while I am asking, you have to write down there. Okay. Now see. Okay. Next one. Okay. Okay. While I am writing, please think the answers. What would it may be? Okay. Okay. It is there in your textbook now? Is it? Myself I should draw. Okay, up to here I have completed. Now last one. And soon. Okay. 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 And next only they have given a questions. They have not given any clues for us. Means that is the clues for us. We have to do it. The meanwhile, they has to give some words also, but they also not given anything, isn't it? Okay. Here one more is also left over, I think. Here. Okay. Here, yes. Only these are the words they have given for us. Now, ours puzzle is ready. Now, actually this puzzle is related to the seasons, children. They have asked us and they have given a numbering also. Here this is the 8, this is 7 and this is 3, 4, 5 and next one, this is 1, this is 6 and this is 9, okay, and this is 2. These are the numberings. Is it actually, here down means you have to write like this. Cross means you have to write like this. Already you have done some of the puzzles, I think. You are already well known, I think. Now I am going to ask the questions. First one, down. First one is down, first one down means here, this is that. Okay. Season, when we use the raincoats and umbrellas. In which season we will use the raincoats and umbrellas, children? When we will use? Very good. Rainy. Very good. Okay. First one completed. Second one. Some places experience this in winter. Some places only experience this in winter. What is that? In winter season, what we will get? It is so cool and windy and snow also. So, here in some places only we will have snowfall. Okay. Next one, third one. Rivers and ponds dry up in this season. Where is the 3? Here. When that water will be evaporated? When the sun produces heat, gives the heat more and more, then only the water will be evaporated. In which season it will happen, children? Very good. Summer. Okay. Summer you have to write. Next one, fourth one. Type of clothes people wear during monsoon. Which type of clothes during monsoon? During the rainy season, which type of clothes you have to wear, children? It should be dried up very fast. Already we have told. What is that? Very good. Synthetic. Okay. Next one, fifth one. Where is the fifth one? Down. Heavy rains causes this damage. What happened? Heavy rains, not damage, causes this damage. What happened? Floods. Okay. Now, see that across means all downwards are completed. Now across, these are only left over. Okay. Now see, trees shed down their leaves in this season. Sixth one. Trees shed down their leaves. In which season they will shed down? Autumn. Okay. Seventh one. Seasonal winds. When we will get the seasonal winds, children? Very good. Another name is also for that. Rainy season. Okay. Next one. Very cool season. Very cool season. Very cool season. That is winter. Winter. Okay. Winter. Next one. Last one. New leaves and flowers grows on plants in this season. Most of the new leaves and flowers are grown on the plants in this season. And children, now only we have discussed spring. Spring. Okay, you have to note down this, children. Write neatly, everyone. First one, rainy. Second one, snowfall. Third one, summer. Fourth one, synthetic. Fifth one, floods. Sixth one, autumn. Seventh one, monsoon. Eighth one, winter. Ninth one, spring. Okay, children? Did you complete? Please complete this. In the next class, we can continue. After here, you have to read the textbook, children. Don't leave that like that. Please read the textbook. Please read the textbook, children. Okay? Textbook means studio. You have to read. Okay, children? Thank you.